What is going on, my friend? 𝗪𝗵𝗆 here. If you're watching this video, chances are you're looking for the best online opportunity in 2023 and beyond. Well, you're in the right place. Now, I am going to reveal a way that people from around the world have been generating $600 payments to their bank account over and over again without leaving the house, without any previous experience, and without more than about 30 minutes a day. Now, you can see on the screen right here that this is the business opportunity explained. There's just 3 incredibly simple steps, and I'm going to break this down step by simple step as you follow me in this quick video. But first, I want to share with you some proof, because I know a lot of people are skeptical out there, rightfully so. There's a lot of things that aren't legit, but I want to share with you some proof of other people so you can see what's possible. So you can see Erica right here. It says, "Love that I can make money while I'm asleep, all because of an automated online business that I almost didn't start out of fear of failure," right? And you can see right here, she's gotten a Stripe payment. Stripe is similar to PayPal, of $150, $600. Okay, there's a few different levels you can earn money at. Now, before I continue, there's going to be a link directly below at any point in this video if you feel a compelled desire to learn more, to partner with us. There's going to be a link directly below. You can click that. But I just want to go through, again, some more proof so you can see, right? Now, Jenna right here, I love this. This is a great ladder to high ticket. Okay, high ticket is another type of business. But you can see right here, $4,800 in a single day. Okay, so she used the training that you get access to inside of this business opportunity, not just the training, but the resources. And she was able to do some incredible results. Just a few more. Just again, I want to really hammer. This is 3 days ago. This is current. Kelly says, "Congrats, who now make $50 over and over." Okay, so this person made a sale, and one more for good measure. You can see right here, Adriana. Okay, community is buzzing. Highest paying, opportunities in 2023. You can see these $600 payments just coming in like clockwork, marking off, of course, the card number so everyone's info is remained anonymous. Okay, now how does this work? Well, it's incredibly simple. Okay, step 1 is all you're going to do is when you partner at one of the levels inside of this business, you just take the pre-made ads, the pre-made advertisements, as you can see right here, and you just copy and paste them on social media. Okay, now you can see right here, that can be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You're just going to take these pre-made, done-for-you ads, okay, and you're just going to post them on your social media, whichever social media you prefer, right? If you prefer Facebook, post it on your Facebook wall. If you like Instagram, post it on your Instagram. Now, what's going to happen is, as long as you have a few followers, you have a few friends on your Facebook page, wherever you decide to promote, step 2 is people are going to start to respond to those advertisements, right? People are going to start to respond. They're going to start to message you for information because the ad is telling people to reach out to you, to comment for more information, okay, depending on the type of ad. And then what's going to happen is when they comment, all you have to do is send them your website link. Okay, so you take your link and you send it to these people. Now, you may be watching this very closely. You think, Garrett, I see the proof in the beginning, but I don't have a website. I'm not technical. I don't know how to create, a sales page and all this complicated stuff. Well, that's why this is the best business opportunity to join this year and these coming years. Okay, this is going to be around a long-term, time frame. And the reason is we give you the website to promote. We give you the ads. We give you the training so you can see over the shoulder exactly where to copy and paste those ads online. So all you do is you send people your link, and then that website will do all the telling and all the selling for you. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't have to try to be good at sales. The website will do the work for you. And then when people buy through your link, okay, you get paid instantly up to $600 payments. Like I said, there's a few different levels. Most people decide to join at the $600 level. Most people, either they charge a credit card or they borrow the money. They get started how they can, and they start to position themselves, right? The level that you join is the level you can earn at. So if you join at the $600 level, you get to earn, and all of the payments are instant. Okay, there's no waiting. There's no, oh, I got to wait till Friday to get paid. This is instant. Okay, the money that people invest will go right to you, and then you will send them the training and the ads to that person, just like you're doing right now, just like you're clicking the link below right now. So this is it. I want to get right to the point. I know your time is valuable, as is mine. I need to go do some things. Click the link below if you're interested. Make this year your best year yet. Again, you know, everyone starts somewhere, right? It doesn't matter if you've never done this before. Start below, and again, you can start to create some absolutely incredible results. These people are no different than you. They're no different than me. The only difference was they got started, right? Success loves speed. You don't want to put this off. You want to take immediate action. All these people are hopping in every single day. Congrats. 3 days ago, again, Kelly absolutely crushing it. Another sale, another referral. Okay. This is absolutely incredible, and there's no reason you can't do this too. Click the link below. If you have any questions, you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to comment them down below. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.